Yo, what's up, YouTube? So, boom. Today's vlog, potentially, gonna be my last vlog with this car. With my baby. You know what I'm saying? But like, so boom. I ain't gonna tell y'all what I found shit. What I found, it's a Charger. 2012 Charger. Yeah. I ain't gonna tell y'all the details. Nah. My baby looking clean. She looking shiny. She looking good. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Only had it done for like a couple months. But like, yo. So yeah, we gonna go through this shit. We gonna drive up there. It's like 6 a.m. right now. And we gonna see what they talk about. I'm gonna keep y'all updated though. Helena, Arkansas. So boom, we been driving for like a good little 45 minutes, something like that. But yeah, we just cruising. We ain't trying to get no interaction with no police, bro. We don't want that. We don't want that. So yeah, we just cruising, speed limit. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all. Get a little close. So boom. I ain't lying, I don't know what we is, bro. So if he focusing on something else, I guess we ain't hella enough tight. So yeah, still driving, chilling, whatever. Gonna do a little back roads, whatever. We got like an hour, 20 minutes till we get there. If this jump will focus, bro. Focusing on the wrong line. There we go. Yeah, anyway. Chilling, listen music, vibing, chilling, bro. Get back to y'all in like 30 minutes. I ain't gonna lie, I lied, bro. We do a couple pools right quick because the road empty as hell. I'm just damn shit. Don't get on me for those shoes, bro. I got a phone on my hand, my left hand, steering wheel, my right hand, and I got shield for this joint. But don't even give me with those shoes, bro. That's why I just want to do a little head thing. Just stay right there. But yeah, we straight, bro. We straight. We chillin', we chillin'. Got the sunroof up. Tight. We chillin', bro. So boom. We like 50 minutes away right now. So yeah, ain't been nothing much going on for real, bro. We chilling. Like y'all heard me say that like 50 times, bro. Like we really been chilling, and that's it, bro. You know, on the back road and everything. You know, chilling, vibing. That's it. I know I've been saying the same thing like 50 times, but yeah, I gotta get the shoes and something. You know. didn't know. I did not put this on my feet just to show y'all, bro. Yeah, we got the car for it. What y'all know about the car for, bro? Y'all don't know about the car for. But anyway, we got these right here. You know we got to throw the Zunts on when we get to the dealership. Show them we not a regular 18-year-old, bro. We not one of them. We not. I'm not. I don't know about y'all. I'm not one of those scat pack Hellcat. Nigga, of course I fought with a Hellcat. Of course I fought with a scat pack. What? Nigga, Mopar. Nigga, no Mopar, no car. I ain't one of them. Like, nigga, I like all cars for real, bro. To be honest, I really want a 5.0 CT 500 type shit, 10-speed type shit, S550 type shit, nigga. Something like that. But yeah, we gonna get there. We all gonna get there one time. You might want a Hellcat. Ain't no one about a Hellcat. You know what I'm saying? It's like, you keep your eyes open. Like, all types of cars out here. All of them, most of them good. Of course, everybody got their opinions and stuff, but like, you know what I'm saying, bro? Y'all we straight. We all gonna get up one day. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all probably when I get there. Probably. So boom, we stopped at Walmart, take a little break. And then like, no mind was behind me, bro. Like, don't be weird about it. Yeah, we in Walmart. I ain't gonna lie. It's like a market Walmart or like a neighborhood Walmart, I think. But this shit's still nice, bro. Like, it's still nice. I think it's neighborhood Walmart. Yeah. Man, I ain't gonna lie. It's the best Walmart I ever been in, bro. Like, for real, this is the best Walmart I ever been in. This is crispy. Let's show y'all right quick. Like, this is so hard, bro. Like, this is a big ass moto. Like, for real. Baby section. Man, these is hard. I ain't never seen no Walmart producing this sweater and stuff. But girls and type stuff. Yeah, these are hard, bro. It's a big ass too. Got TVs on sale, electronics. We're gonna see what these games look like. Man, 25, you know, college football. UC 5, stuff like that. Yeah. TV, you know. Blah, blah, all that. Yeah. Look on. So we like 20 minutes away from the dealership. Nah, it's like 15. Yeah, it's like 15. We like right outside the city. Yeah. What you know about Courage, bro? What y'all know about Courage, bro? Focus. Y'all know nothing about Courage, bro. It'd be my show for real. Not too young for that though. We got Danny Phantom, Dexter, Adventure Time, all that, bro. What else over here? What's up? Nah, nothing. Oh, snap. We got the OGT types. Set that right there. But yeah, I'm gonna find a bag before I shit myself. Bitch, you know I hate this.
she say she ready. Trapping in these white forces got me feeling like I'm Nelly. I was locked up in the cab, I was boxing with myself, filling up the turkey bags, watching it.
So boom, we been here for like, we been here like 15 minutes, getting my information type shit. Yeah, we talked about like while working, you know, regular dealerships though. So boom, yeah. It's some other people here. One other person here looking at the same car. Hopefully, like, you know, hopefully they don't get that junk. So yeah, I'm gonna check back in with y'all. So boy, we got the Jeep. We got a Jeep. They got wrapped outside. They got BRZ. Let me show y'all what they got. So boom, we were gonna get approved and stuff. How it was taking so long, bro. They probably said I need like a cosign or something, like just in case. Like I'm 18, I just started my credit, so yeah, you know, that's why credit is important, bro. Yeah, like the payments and everything sound good. Like yeah, like the payment, trading in my car for these as a down payment type shit. Yeah, no problem. I be working at 2, and then it's like 10:30. That's the only problem, bro. That's a big motherfucker. You see that bit? Dude. I walk up to that bit, open it up, the little kickstand, little foot thing. Eyes out. Damn. Yeah, that bit got a lift kit on it. I don't know how many inches. I'm up from big. That's damn near truck, bro. It's a Gladiator or something. Jeep Jack Gladiator or something. Not Gladiator. Yeah, that be big. I'll do the same for like, 5% like 15 minutes. Like, get approved for this stuff. Hopefully I just didn't come over for no reason type shit. So yeah. At least I know what's up. So, we still waiting, bro. We waiting for like 30, 45 minutes, bro. Bruh. Why should be seeing? They talk about they had to do sales. That it was somebody buying a car. That we can get done with that. They just got done, and now they working on my stuff. Well, I think they finna print his stuff out, like his license plate, whatever, blah, blah, blah. And then work on my stuff. Man, I'm in the bathroom, bro. I got out of here. I eat shit. I feel like I'm finna throw up. Yeah. I'm gonna keep you all updated, bro. Hopefully it won't be much longer. I'm gonna miss my baby, bro. You getting red. You getting red of Smurf Ed, bro. Ain't no way I'm actually doing this. Ain't no way I'm actually doing this, bro. Let me close though, bro. Ain't no way I'm actually selling Smurf Ed, bro. Like, Smurf Ed? Smurf Ed? Oh my God. My baby. But I'ma love you, bro. I'ma love you. I love you. I do love you, bro. Like, I do love the car, bro. I don't know what to say, bro. Ain't no way I'm actually doing this. Ain't no way I'm actually doing this. I'm trading my car in. You get this, huh? Nah, I ain't finna cry, bro. I don't know why you look at me like that. I ain't finna cry. Yeah. It's hard. It's hard, but yeah. But you know, we gotta upgrade. Life goes on. Things get better. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, what it is. We got it. We got it after. Man, I've been here since 9 a.m. Boy, it's almost 2 o'clock. Is it 2 o'clock? Man, it's 2 o'clock, bro. I got it. I got it, bro. Man, I'm so tired, bro. I gotta drive 2.5 hours home, and I have work. Man, I'm like 3 hours waiting from work, bro. I have to be... Let me stop talking, just show y'all, bro. Boy. What they say? 392 Charger. Wet ball.
They swearing we did. They know I don't part of with niggas, no did. No do that, how you had your seat. Nigga pay attention, see all the fruit. I call about money, I mute you. No tug of war, I got pool.
We got this bitch. We got this joint. SRT me. SRTD. SRT seats. SRT seats, bro. We in the joint. Yeah. So boom. 2012 Dodge Charger. Super B. 392, bro. We in this joint, bro. Hey, y'all stay tuned though, for real. I'm gonna be dropping some hot stuff, for real, on the route. I got y'all, bro. For real, baby. You hear that? That bitch talking. That bitch talking, bro. That bitch talking, fam. Hell yeah, man, that bitch talking, bro. Anyway, I'll get driving, bro. These two big ass 18 wheelers in front of me. I'm gonna get back with y'all, bro. We're out.